Bullish near convention cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $10.22 and $19.30 by 2030. Market examiners accept near could reach $7.95 by 2025. Bearish near convention market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.82. Near convention presentation. Since its unassuming starting points with a little group in San Francisco, near convention has in practically no time developed to collaborate with a portion of the business top Goliaths, performing on a vertical direction since its commencement, with the declaration of an aggressive program to pull ahead in the crypto game and set the foundation for Web 3.0. The near network is drawing in a lot of consideration. In this near convention audit, we'll assess the organization's key elements, alongside specialized examination and our near future cost expectations. What is near convention? Near convention is a layer 1 public evidence of stake blockchain zeroed in on building client and designer cordial stages. The convention was established in 2018 by Alexander Skidnov and Ilya Polisukhin, who recently held jobs in significant organizations like Microsoft and Google, joining their previous experience to its most prominent benefit. The pair at first had dreams of an AI project, however wound up floating towards blockchain innovation. Before long, the Near convention was conceived as a savvy contract-fit blockchain. Near was intended to have dapps and spotlight on ease of use, rivaling other savvy contract-empowered blockchains like ethereum and EOS. Near has consolidated a few highlights to elevate ease of use and client comfort. For instance, the stage permits clients to interface with brilliant agreements and dapps without requiring a wallet and consolidates comprehensible record names close by crypto wallet addresses. One of Near's most aggressive projects is to make a permissionless, open, decentralized web a space where no organization, individual, or government can mediate. Near expects to stand separated from different stages like Meta, which it considers a one-sided, shut biological system, and on second thought make a space where clients have the ability to control their own information. Near's answer is named the local area cloud, where clients can securely get and execute resources, personality, and cash without requiring consent or outside stages. Near convention has its own local token called Near, which is utilized to pay for capacity and exchange expenses on the stage. Near approves and concludes exchanges as well as gets the organization against malware and fake action by boosting validators with Near crypto tokens. With the Near convention expected to explode further from now on, the symbolic's worth is probably going to stick to this same pattern. Near convention specialized investigation. Since its send-off in August 2020, the Near network has gotten backing from numerous striking names in the business, like the respectable entrepreneur Stor Andreessen Horowitz. It has likewise banded together with other unmistakable names, for example, Blockchain Adventures, Tiger Worldwide, MetaWeb Adventures, and Einsville Labs. Different associations like Kurtosis, Motion, Mintbase, and Paras have additionally effectively utilized Near to assemble cheap, speedy, and decentralized open market conventions. Close by the $350 subsidizing round drove by Tiger Worldwide, prompting critical cost appreciation for Near crypto holders. In the event that Near's set of experiences of close associations proceeds, the coin's worth will probably take off essentially from here on out. Near convention current cost. Near convention is as of now worth $2.27 USD. Near has moved 0.14% as of now with an exchanging volume of $129,688,335. Near convention is as of now position 733 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,915,509,918 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Near convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Near convention market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Near convention value expectation 2023 Near convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Near cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $3.41. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $3.18 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable in the near future given expected joint efforts and headway. Near is supposed to have a base worth of $2.72. Near convention value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Near convention near cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of NEAR will before long outperform $5.68. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the NEAR's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, NEAR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4.54 and a typical exchanging cost of $5. NEAR Convention Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $7.95 and NEAR may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. NEAR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $7.27 and a low of $6.81 in 2025. NEAR Convention Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that NEAR Convention effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the NEAR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, NEAR will be green in 2026. The NEAR is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $10.22, with a base cost of $9.08 and a typical cost of $9.54. NEAR Convention Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the NEAR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $11.81 by 2027, with a base cost of $11.35 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, NEAR has a most extreme value worth of $12.49. NEAR Convention Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $14.08. On the off chance that NEAR figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $14.76. Neglecting to accumulate the help NEAR needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $13.62. NEAR Convention Value Forecast 2029. While NEAR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $15.89 and a yearly cost close above $17.03 in 2029. NEAR Convention Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, NEAR Convention will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $18.16 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $19.30, averaging out at $18.62. NEAR Convention Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas.